Wow, diin pare. Ang lalim yan. Di ko kaya yan, bro. Pilosopo lang ako, bro, eh.
Hirap. My heart goes to this, but my brain tells me to get this.
What do you follow? Your heart or your brain? Ang hirap yan, pare, ha? What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. We had a client that walked in dito sa lounge natin sa second floor. He's trying to trade these two watches. This one is a 16234 na Datejust na silver siya. Fluted bezel, 1990s, I think to. Maganda to kasi may kasama siyang service card. So, he had it serviced na last 2022. And then the other watch, 216570. This is a 2014 model. Na service na rin niya, Polar ito. Yes, service card na rin siya, NFC din. So, dalawa ito, I valued it at 440 ko binalyo to, and this one is 270. He's trying to negotiate, but he told me that he's looking pa for another watch to trade. Tapos maghahagal kami doon, and then we'll see kung magkano natin makukuha yung dalawa nito, and ano yung mabibenta natin. Ano, how was your trip upstairs?
Oh, dami mong customer doon kami. Halat ko sana sub na gold.
So, which one here are you most interested at? We have 5 watches. First, we have the sub date. This is a 6610 na, the most classic one, diba? This is, I think, yeah, 2021 model. So, and then we have here the root beer. Reference is 126711 pala. CHNR 2019 siya. This is still unpolished. We can have it polished for you if you want. So, this is one. This one, we have a Batgirl naman. Reference ito is 126710. So, we also have here the Pepsi. Reference naman ito is 126710 na BLRO. And, of course, the Guinness. Some people call it Zombie. This is a two-tone naman. 126713 GRNR. So, what do you think?
Medyo mataas pa ang hype dito, no?
Medyo mataas pa to. Eliminated muna tong very classic natin na Submariner. Take a look. What do you want ba? Do you have Jubilee na ba?
Wala. Ito lang ang Jubilee ko dati.
Ito lang ang Jubilee mo. Try to have a feel kasi for me, iba talaga yung feel ng Jubilee sa Oyster.
So, medyo manly to, medyo robust, right?
Yes, medyo robust siya. Medyo mas matigas siya sa kamay. What do you think?
My heart goes to this, but my brain tells me to get this.
What do you follow? Your heart or your brain? Ang hirap niyan, pare, ha? What do you think?
Alright, I'll get this.
This one. Bilis mag-decide. Root beer, we have this 2019. We're selling it for 1178. Napag-usapan natin kanina na I said was 270. You wanted 280, di ba? 270 plus ito 440. Let's say 450. So that's 720. Now, this one, I can do it parang 720 kasi ito. Minus, gawin ko na lang 1,170,000.
Paano pa na-discount? Grabe.
Wait kasi sir eh. Tsaka tinaasan ko yung value ng konti na itong dalawa eh. Sige, 1165. Okay. Naiya ako eh. Baba daw ng discount ko eh. Pero really pag trade kasi, you know, cash is king. So 1,178 minus 450 minus 270. That's 458 minus 13,000. 445. What do you think?
440.
440. Binawasan ko na sir eh. Sige brother. 440. Add done deal. Thank you so much. Will you be paying cash?
I have to count my cash.
Sige, count na lang natin lahat. What do you do for a living, if you don't mind?
I'm a professor.
Wow! What degree? What philosophy? Diin, pare. Ang lalim yan, pa. Di ko kaya yan, bro. Pilosopo lang ako, bro, eh. Papers here, 360.
Bank transfer. Video.
Yeah, pwede naman. Pakuha nga ako ng hoodie. That's our promotion right now. Pakukuha lang ito pag nakabili ng Rolex. 80K. Okay. Brother, 80K went through.
Good.
Done deal, brother. Maraming salamat. Congrats on your hoodie.
Alright.
Thank you.
All the best.
All the best. Thank you so much. Until I see you again. Salamat, sir.
Thank you.